guys, so I believe right now it will go up. It will go up, don't worry. So it will keep going up, but don't worry, at the end, at this line, it will end up under the red line. So don't worry, it will keep staying over here, but I'm 100% it will end up, and um we will make $4,000, $400, sorry, or $300. So don't worry. Look. Just wait for it. Just wait for it. So this is the techniques, or this is how you stay in focus. So yeah, you need to stick. Look. See. Just last moments, and now we will end up right here and win. All right. So the next one, guys. So again, the next one will be like this. So I'm 100% that the next one will go up. So even perhaps it will go a little bit down, but as always, it will end up over this this red green line. I'm 100%, guys. We will win. We will make another $300. So don't worry, guys. Please don't worry about the signals. Don't use your emotions. Just stick to your strategy, and you will end up by winning a lot of trades and making a lot of money. I'm 100% about it. So look, it's coming down right now. Yeah, it will go up. It will go up. Perhaps it will go up. I'm not sure, but what I'm 100% sure is that it will end. Yeah, it's up, but don't worry. Look. See? Yup, and we made it. Yeah, another $300. Let's go. The next one. So yeah, the next one, it will be down. I'm 100%. It will be down, guys. As always, it's yeah, this time a downtrend. So look. But this time is a downtrend, and we will make it. Yeah, we will make a win, and we will win another $300. Yeah, almost $900 easily, almost more than $1,000 easily in just few minutes. If you want to learn, guys, you can do it from the course in the description below. In the course, I will share with you everything I learned about binary option trading over the years. I will share it with you and put everything, all my knowledge in that course. Just go enroll the course or purchase the course. So don't worry, go ahead, do it. Look, and yup, a win.